All right, good morning guys, good afternoon guys, good evening all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. All right, so here in this channel we talk about things that concerns Jamb and admission. All right, so we talk about WAEC, NECO and so many of them, and schools update. All right, so that's basically what we do in this channel. All right, so if you are a Jamb candidate, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing update just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so today's topic is Micheal Okpara, University of Agriculture, MOUAU latest news. All right, so please, before I continue to today's video, I want to tell you we have a WhatsApp community. Okay, so our WhatsApp community is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidates. All right, so of course you yourself can become one of us. Right, so the only way you can become one of us is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number and you message me on WhatsApp. After getting to know me, I will have to ask you, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group you have access to Jamb updated past question, schools, your school of choice updated past question, WAEC answers for free, NECO answers for free. You also have to connect with your fellow aspirant there in our WhatsApp group. You will learn they are also there in our WhatsApp group and another further information. Right, so if you have another thing, if you have a very low Jamb score and you don't want to write another Jamb next year, right, so it is advised for you to join our WhatsApp group so that we can of course be of help to you. All right, so that's basically what we can do for you. Okay, so if you look at, let's get back to the video. If you look at the topic of the day, which is said Micheal Okpara, University of Agriculture, latest news. All right, so I know as a Jamb candidate you need news that concerns all schools. All right, so I don't know all of your schools generally, so that's why I'm doing a video based on all schools and also a video based on the schools pointed out by some of my candidates. All right, so I'll definitely have to do a video. So if your school is not among the list yet, you can also let me know on the comment section so that I can do the latest updates about your school for you guys. All right, so that's basically what we'll do for you. So if you have any other thing that you want me to do for you on the comment section, you have anything that concerns you have anything you are going through when it comes to, you have any challenge you are going through, any challenge at all when it concerns your Jamb and your admission, your WAEC and your NECO, right? So let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to solve all the problem for you. All right, so let's get right. After they just concluded UTME examination, some of my candidates messaged me and were asking me the next thing to do. Of course, some persons knows the next thing to do, why some persons do not know the next thing to do. All right, so I promise all my subscribers that whatever questions I receive from my candidates, I will definitely have to come here to answer all of the questions here so that you guys will also learn from that, because I know that out there are some persons that don't know who to ask some of these questions to. Of course, those questions is very, very important to them and they don't know who to ask the question to. So that's why I come here to answer all of the questions so that you also out there will know from there. So the only way you can push this video across to those people out there that need this update is by sharing it to your friends, to your fellow different groups. Okay, and also giving the video a thumbs up. Right, so YouTube algorithm will notify will share the they recommend the video to other candidates as out there. All right, so now after they just concluded UTME examination, the next thing that follows, or the next thing that awaits us, is post UTME. All right, so that's the next thing that awaits us, post UTME. That's the next thing that awaits us after they just Jamb concluded they concluded UTME examination. The next thing that awaits us is post UTME. So that post UTME is your institution of choice that sets the post UTME. They are the people to determine the day you write the post UTME and all of that. All right, so however, Micheal Okpara, University of Agriculture, MOUAU, they don't write post UTME. What they do is internal screening. All right, so that's what they will do. They will screen you with your O-level results and your Jamb score. All right, so that's what they do. They will screen you with your O-level results and your Jamb UTME score. All right, so that's basically what Micheal Okpara does. All right, so now what you do, because they do screening, does not mean that after Jamb you should go and sleep. No. After Jamb, you need to buy their post-UTME form, which is their screening form. You buy their screening form. So after buying that their screening form, then you will await the time they will notify you, or the time they will finish their screening, and you definitely have to print your Jamb. You see your aggregate, what they scored you. All right, so you see what they score you, and you have to print it out. From there, you will know if you have met their admission requirements, and know whether to consider you for admission or not. All right, so I know you'll be asking, when is the form going to be out, and where are we going to buy the form? All right, so that's why I said you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications, so that once the form is out, I will definitely have to let us know here on this platform that the form is out, and YouTube will notify you. All right, so once the form is out, I'll have to let us know here on the platform that the form is out, and YouTube will notify you, and you'll be the first to check out the form. All right, so and you'll be the first to message me, and I will buy the form for you. All right, so secondly, the date. If you don't want us to buy the form for you, still subscribe. It's important you subscribe, so that when I drop all the video, you know, when I drop the update, you will know, all right, that the form is out. All right, so that's basically what you can. For now, the form is not out. The reason why the form is not out for now is because Jamb have not they have not held their policy meeting to discuss the national cutoff mark for the year 2024. So that's basically why the form is not out. All right, so that's all for now. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish you guys. All right, keep winning.